a very simple recipe. This recipe is made from watermelon, and it's a watermelon salad. It's very quick, it's very hydrating. As we know, watermelon is such a big fruit that contains a lot of water. It is water rich, it is mineral rich, it is electrolytes rich, which is very, very supportive, all of which are very, very supportive for hydration to the cellular level. So when I say hydration, hydration can be just drinking water and quenching your thirst. But hydration to the cellular level means drinking enough liquid, not only water. Liquid that contains electrolyte like potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium, and all of those things. That goes through your cells to bounce your cell and make it bouncy so that what? Your body becomes more hydrated and is not really deprived of liquid, because organs are in your body which depend on liquid. Our body is made up of 70% water, maybe it's almost 80% water, right? So the rest of it is made up of different matter. But water, liquid, is what we are made from. So we need the water all the time, but we also need the electrolytes and the minerals. And this watermelon salad is such a game changer in my home, and also I have shared it long time ago. It was such a beautiful recipe that got a whole lot of views on Facebook, and I decided to just come on live and share it over here. It is no longer on Facebook. I took it out off because I'm no longer very active on Facebook, but I'm going to show you a very easy version of it, okay? And watermelon is very hydrating. If you are going through nausea first trimester, it's very helpful. If you are looking for a very quick snack, this is very helpful because we're going to add some cheese in it, and it's also going to add the protein. So I'm going to chop it into chunks. All right, this is very sweet watermelon. If you get any watermelon, even if it is not sweet, go for it, because it is the hydration that really matter. All right, so I'm going to add this to my bowl. Add it to my bowl. As easy as that. Very easy. Sort of Greek watermelon salad. Okay. All right, I have some parsley right here, okay, some handful of parsley. I'm going to chop it into very tiny bit, okay. Smells so good, it's really fresh. And I'm going to add it in. Add this in the watermelon. Some like it with tomatoes. My daughters don't like it with tomatoes, but if you do, this is cherry tomatoes that you can add. It adds a lot of antioxidants and also vitamin C. So I'm going to just slice a bit of it and add it in. You know what? Okay, good. So add it in, slice in the black olives, piecing. This is peated, so doesn't have any seed in it. If you want the olive ones, the green ones, go for it. It's also delicious. All right, so enough with the chopping. I'm going to add this one in, okay? Very easy. I have some red onions that I have soaked in vinegar, sugar, and boiling water. And I am going to add this in. This is going to add some acidity in it and also some flavor. Usually I will leave this overnight, but because I need it right now, I'm just gonna use it. Okay, I'll leave it overnight and it's gonna change the color and it's gonna look so pretty. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to add my feta cheese over here. So adding the feta cheese, scrambling it. So beautiful. Okay. Feta cheese is a lot of salt. So if you are not a fan of too much salt, you might want to use a little bit of it. Don't use too much. But you can use other cheese as well if you don't like feta cheese. But I love it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice. Just a teeny bit. And then I'll go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. Okay. And to even make it prophetic inspired, because our olives, onions, and watermelon are prophetic inspired foods. Okay, so they are foods that the Prophet ﷺ recommends and also eats a lot. But I also love all the time when it's possible to add a little bit of black seed to my stuff. So instead of adding like sesame seed or any other seed that are not prophetic, I'll add black seed. Okay, so this is it. This is beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? And it tastes so amazing. Okay, all right, so this is the recipe. It looks beautiful and it tastes very beautiful, very easy. It takes you only 5 minutes to make if you have all your ingredients put and prepped ready. Okay, so this recipe is such a game changer. You can munch on it anytime you want, not only in the morning, not only in the afternoon when you don't feel like eating. This is such a good recipe to make. All right, it is very hydrating. It's full of hydrating watermelon, and it has onions that has antioxidants, and has the parsley, the tomatoes, the olive, and then the feta cheese. So I hope you enjoy it. Assalamu alaikum.